y'all, it's Judy. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, but we're back. It's been a busy road, and on this Friday we are actually leaving for Disney World. My youngest daughter and I are driving to Florida, and my oldest daughter is meeting us there. Actually, while I am filming this, exactly 1 week from right now, we'll be picking her up at the Orlando airport. So we're so excited. We only get to see her about once a year, so it'll be a fun trip. But the reason why you're all here, I know that I have been really bad about recording and uploading videos lately, but this has been sitting on my desk. Yes, I already cut it open because I hate doing that. But it is my Tokyo Kawaii Club. And I'm so excited. I wanted to get this open, so if there's any goodies in here that I want to take to Disney World, I wanted to make sure that we have them. So let's open it up and see what's in this month's Tokyo Kawaii Club. Okay. I've had this for about 2 weeks, so this one actually took longer than the last one. It took about 4 weeks to get here. I'll put the links to the website below. Michael does a really, really good job at paying attention to your likes and your dislikes. And it's a monthly subscription, and it has to be one of my favorites because, you know, I'm going to Walt Disney World. I can get anything from the other subscription boxes, well, hopefully, in Walt Disney World. These are items from Tokyo. You can't get those here in the States. And they're unusual and they're different, and it's just a lot of cool to unbag these because this isn't a box, this is a bag. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's in here. I can see the top of one item right off the bat. Okay, there's just one bag in here. It says Happiest Celebration Grand Finale 111 to 325 2019 Tokyo Disney Resort. And on the back it's Pixar Playtime 2019 with Toy Story and Cars. That is cute. I like how colorful and I like how different their bags are each time. Okay, so let's look in this bag and see what there is. Okay, I see one bag with something on top of it and then something else. So let's pull out this item here. And it is an Alice in Wonderland. Oh, you're probably not going to be able to see that because of the glare. But it's a Ziploc. Traveling, I have a whole bunch of stuff that could go in here. I'll tell you that right now. We are one of those families who we are staying at the resort. We're staying at Port Orleans. But we take in our own snacks. Yes, we are on the Disney dining plan and all of that, but we still take in our own snacks. So this will be really good. It'll be good for the road trip as well. That's cool. I love Alice in Wonderland. Again, I know that Alice in Wonderland is on my preferences, and so Michael hit that right out of the park. So that is cool. I like that. Okay, let's see what else. Back to the bag. Okay, we'll pull out. There is another bag inside of it. Set that down. And it looks to be the same bag, only in a smaller size. So let's see what goodies are in here. And I'm seeing right off the top something fluffy. And we have an Ufufi. This one I believe is Doc because he has glasses on. Let me give you a close-up of that. Here's Doc. Isn't he cute? And you can see his little glasses here. I love the 7 Dwarfs. I think I have 2 others of these now. So, yeah. I'd like all 7. I would adore all 7. I think they would be cute. Do they make a Snow White one too? So I guess I would like all 8. I just really like those. I know this one has a slight fragrance. It's not really strong, but that's really cute. I love that. Okay, let's see what else is in the bag. Okay. Seeing something green. Oh, and there's a note from Michael on it. It's Alien. It's Toy Story. It says, thank you, Mike. I think it says, thanks again, maybe, Michael? And I love the little post-it notes that he includes in it. Those are so cute with the Toy Story alien and Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. Those are so cute. It's actually not a post-it note. It's just, there's no sticky on it. It's just a note. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's Tinkerbell, and it's a shoe. Is that just not adorable? You can't see it, but on the other side of the door that I'm looking at, I have a knick-knack shelf, and on it is my shoe collection. I used to collect the miniature shoes. I don't have a Tinkerbell shoe, but now I kind of have one. Is that not cute? And it's just like a little towel. I don't, a little washcloth maybe, but I just love that Tinkerbell. And again, of course, you know that Tinkerbell is in my preference as my favorite. That is so cute. Love that. Okay, let's see what else is in the bag. I'm seeing a bag. Okay. I love, love, love this bag. Tokyo Disney Resorts. It's got Mickey and Minnie, Donald and Goofy and Daisy and Pluto and Snow White, and it has got all the characters on it. And on the back is Alice and Bambi. I believe this must be candy of some sort. I hate to open it because I don't, if I open it, I'm gonna drop it. If I open it, it opens right here, and that's right across Jasmine and Dumbo and Tinkerbell. You know, I'm pretty sure this is a candy or a cookie or something. So I'm going to take this with me to Disney World. And maybe, just maybe, I can convince my two daughters to do an opening and see what they taste like in Disney World. So you'll have to stay tuned for that one. I love them. I'm going to have to cut very carefully on the top, though, to make sure. Because that bag will make an appearance. I love that bag. That bag is just... I don't know if you can see it from all the glare, but look at all those characters. Okay. Let's see what else is in the bag. It's getting kind of light now. Okay, there's 2 more items in here. No, 1. Maybe. What else is in here? Oh, I threw the clip from the from the washcloth in there. Oops. It's the Cheshire Cat. This is a keychain. I saw Robin over on Hello Robin open. This was in her Tokyo Kawaii as well. Okay, let's see if the packaging can best Judy, because it often does here. This is taped in cellophane really well. There we go. I did it! That is so cute, and it's a little ball cap. Let me give you a close-up of that. It is a little ball cap with the Cheshire Cat on it. Is that not cute? And it's a keychain. One of the things, the reason why I haven't been filming is I have a brand new car. And if you've ever bought in a car, you know what an absolute headache that is. It kind of took over my life there for a week. But now it has a Disney keychain to put on my keys to my brand new car. Is that not cute? Okay. Over there. Okay, and there is one item in this bigger bag that I already kind of saw when I took out the little bag. Oh, I didn't see. Snow White. You're getting a horrible glare off my light there. Sorry about that. And I believe this is a file folder. Let's open it up and take a look. Don't y'all just love that sound of freaking... Here it is. Glare's a little bit better. Oh, and this is so cool. So this is the front of the file, but it has tabs up here. You see, there's a squirrel, and it opens up, and then there's a I guess it's a door. And that opens up to another section. And then you have a bird and an apple. And then of course, whoops. And then of course you have the mirror. Can you see that? And then you have, at the very bottom, you have a bunny. Oh, wow, good thing I'll have to edit this because like, whoa, Judy, come on, show things correctly. And that top was not a door. I had it crooked. It's a box, and it's the box that Snow White's heart went into. So is that not cool? I love that. And she's eating the apple. We really need to teach her about taking food from strangers. I love that. Isn't that cute? Okay, so that is it for this month's Tokyo Kawaii Club. I don't have one coming. See, that was for February, I guess. I don't have one coming for March because I knew I'd be going to Walt Disney World. So if I start it again in April, it probably won't be here till May. So that'll be it for just a hot minute. So, but like I said, I'm going to Disney World, so I will be able to show you my Disney World haul, which will be fun. What was my favorite item out of there? I have to say the Tinkerbell shoe. I think that was my favorite item. Okay, I'm going to get some other videos, because since I'm on a roll now, I'm going to record videos, so you'll have videos to watch, hopefully. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Thumbs up. This week while I prepare to go to Disney World. Oh my. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, make sure that you hit that like button and that subscribe button with a little bell that'll notify you every time that I upload videos. I promise to be better. I am writing on my blog again. That link will be down below. It's judithldavis.com. Sometimes I write better than I speak, which for some of us is just the written word you can edit. When you're speaking, oh, I can edit the video, but it's just not quite the same. So be sure to check out that blog. And as always, have a magical day and get out there and do something great. Bye.